So hello guys, today we'll see that how to generate an APK in an Expo app or a React Native app. For this you can head over to this article, and this is the sample Expo app created here, and this is working, you can see. And in my previous video I had talked about the IDX Google ID where you can do Android development online. For now, let's generate our APK from this. For this we have to use Expo CLI, so we will install it, and after that we are in the current directly, so we don't need it. And we have to create an eas.json for exporting our Expo app. So let's create an eas.json in our root directory. Let's create it here, eas.json. And in the article this is specified that here is a preview 1, preview 2 and preview 3 versions. In preview, if you run preview, it will build an APK file, and there are other configurations also. You can also configure it for AAP files etc. So this is the command to ES build for Android and preview. Copy it, and here the additional options. For AAB you have to write app bundles, because Google Play Stores also accepts in AAB format. Expo login, and we are logging here. Now we have the app, the ES.json file. Now we just have to build it. Okay. npm install ES. Expand it. We have not installed the EASCLI, that's why the reason it was giving error. Let's generate the preview version for APK. Yes, I want get init, commit message, initial commit, and automatically create. Would you like to automatically create ES project? Yes. Seed 1 com.sh20 raj.seed. Okay, your package name, or generate a queue store. Yes. Now it's uploading the assets, and you can see your build details here. For this we have to log in first. And this build process may end up in 10 minutes, so let's wait for at least 10 minutes. And for production version you have to build an app bundler, that is with the extension of .aab, and this file will be uploaded to your Google Play console. Google Play console. but Google Play Console is not good for initial developers or the started developers, because it wants 20 testers opt in last 14 days. These conditions that just added previous year, and that is so worst condition added by Google Play Store, Google Play Console. So that's the reason why I am not able to publish my app here. Let's close this and wait for the building, and Gradle will take time at least 10 minutes for building. This process would have been stopped if I was building it on my local computer, but this ID I was building an online cloud ID, and this is the one more benefit of cloud ID, that this is just showing me the preview, but the build is running on the IDE server, and the IDE servers don't lose the internet connection. Even though my computer lost the connection, the Gradle is still running, and it's past 10 minutes, and I think it's the time for being built. And we lost our internet connection. That taught us one more thing, and this is using the resource of their cloud storage, that also save our resources with our internet and our storage, our battery, everything. So I think now it should be completed. Guess I'm not skipping any video part, because I can do first. I can increase the speed, but I'm not skipping anything. It will hardly take me to 2 minutes for the video length for making the video, but I decided to increase the length just to show you everything. If you want the video process fast, you can increase the video speed. And the build is completed now, and here all the things. Our app is being uploaded to archive, and app uploaded to archive in just 1 second. And this is our app release.apk of 65 MB, but the real APK would not be of that much size. It's just a preview APK, and you have to build the AB file for the production. Install and run, yes. And here is the download file. You can click on download, and your APK file will be downloaded here. And you can also share this URL to your phone. Just right click and send to your device, or create QR for this page and scan this, or just copy link, or say use any text editor, or use apps like Wormhole or VShare, Toffee Share. There are many things. Any share, file drop, whatever you want, just drag and drop the app or file here up to 10 GB, and it will give you a link just like this is DQEL7, and just go on your mobile and type wormhole.app/DQEL7, and this will be valid for 24 hours. I'm making it to 60 minutes and 100 downloads and all set. You can also create a QR code from here. And that's all for the video for creating an APK file. And for creating a production, we have different script here, and we can run, instead of preview, we can run production here. and that will create an AAB file for you. And preview 2 for assemble release. You can find many more things in this article. Just I will give you the link in description. You can go and check out there. Thanks for watching.